Hey friends! Hey friends! Welcome to my vlog. And for today's video, I'm gonna share to you the experience I had while learning mathematics during this year, wherein we are only studying and meeting each other virtually. And also, I'm gonna share to you the lessons that we have learned this year. So without further ado, let's get started. Let us talk first about the lessons that we have learned this year before I share my experiences during this year's online class. For our first quarter, we learned about the geometric sequence. So what is geometric sequence? In mathematics, a geometric progression, also known as a geometric sequence, is a sequence of non-zero numbers where each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous one by a fixed non-zero number called the common ratio.
For the second quarter, we learned about the polynomials: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. A polynomial is defined as an expression which is composed of variables, constants, and exponents that are combined using the mathematical operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Our next lesson is the composition of function. This lesson is one of my favorites, even though it's a bit hard. Next one to this is the permutation and the combination. A permutation is a mathematical technique that determines the number of possible arrangements in a set when the order of the arrangements matters. In combination, the combination is a mathematical technique that determines the number of possible arrangements in a collection of items where the order of the selection does not matter. The next topic is the central tendency. There are three most common measures of central tendency, and those measures are the mean, median, and mode. The mean is the sum of all values divided by a total number of values. The median is the middle number in an ordered data set. And the last one, the mode, is the most frequent value. Those are all the lessons that we have learned during this year. And for now, I'm gonna share to you the experiences I had while learning those lessons.
So during the first grading, the first part of our grading journey, I was really excited for online class because it's my first time. I thought online class is fun and easier because we're just inside the house using our gadgets to communicate, and then we're just going to make videos and do our modules. I thought this year will be the easiest, but I was wrong. It's not that easy, and so far it's my toughest year in school. The stress was not a joke, and even just the internet sometimes pisses me off every time I couldn't pass my assignment on time because the internet was slow. And when all the subject teachers send us a new work to do all at once, that is the start of the challenge. At first, I can do it all, but as the time passed by, I got tired. It's like you are filled with unfinished assignments always, got no time to breathe and to unwind. It's really tiring and you got nothing to talk with, to laugh with, unlike from face-to-face classes that you got your friends.
Math taught us how to solve problems just by ourselves. And sometimes we need help, that is why we are asking for others. But despite that, the most important thing that math taught me this year is that every problem has a solution. This year's online class was not that easy for me. Online classes really have a lot of disadvantages compared to face-to-face classes. I did not like its impact on my mental health. It was not that easy for me studying alone, without my friends that always make me laugh. It is hard for me to study without my classmates who's always helping me to understand the other lessons. I'm just an average student who's not that great when it comes to mathematics. I really got a hard time studying online, but then, even though it's really hard, I did my best to learn. I did my best to survive every problem. The same with the reason why we are in this situation, the pandemic. I believe that this problem has a solution. We just need to pray, trust Him, and to do everything we can to overcome this. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.